are you at the moment? You are on the big ship. Wow. Yeah, and Daniel is as well with you today. Wow. Woohoo. And now we are leaving the port. It's very bad weather. It's badly raining. Alian, are you enjoying your trip? Yeah? Yeah, go on. Now we are on the ship. Hey Daniel, you're running. They have some kids playground, so Daniel can enjoy his time. So on upper deck you can find the coaster, so you can grab some snacks, some coffee, postcards, magnets. So it's very big choice of food and toys. Dogs are allowed, kids are allowed. So we are getting our way. Now we got out of the ship and going to the Caravan park. That's the no from the water, and our first stop is the beach. Woohoo! What a nice waves. I don't know. Oh my God! And we arrived to our park. Now we're going to check in our lodge. So now we checked in. So that's our living room. And we have some lounge area with the fire. We got big nice kitchen. Utensils, cooker, all the cups, plates, everything which is needed for the food. Alian, you enjoying your house?
Yeah.
What do you think of it? 4.5. Have some mini freezer,
The only thing
fridge.
The only thing I didn't rate it a 5 of the hot tub, and I wanted it to be like a white hot one.
And dishwasher, toaster, microwave, and nice garden view. Now from the kitchen we can enter the bathroom and have some big bath. And then we have 2 rooms. Alian choose this room. Same nice garden view. Have some cupboard. Then there is another room. It looks quite bigger than that one. So it have same 2 beds, cupboard, and view on the outside. And then we going to the master bedroom, which have double bed, some wardrobe, and private as well shower and toilet. Wow, outside our window is rabbits. So we came out. That is one of the views outside. You can see the seaside down there. Here is all the caravan park. Now we found some kids playground. That's what kids need. Finally it's got sunny, so we're trying to catch some sunny days, sunny hours while it's possible. So Daniel enjoying his playground. Daniel, cuckoo, cuckoo. Yeah, go on. Well done. Well done. Good boy, Daniel. Yay. Parkour. Alian is doing some parkour. Wow. Very good. Well done. That's amazing. Woo. It's alright. Keep on.
It's alright.
So our resort have a swimming pool. Oh, can film from here. So I guess we won't be able to film inside. Yes. They have changing rooms. Ah.